So if I make the blocks about 8 inches, if I make them 1 inch by 1 inch, 8 inch-ish, why not just cut it? Happy. Oh, wow. It's like I was trying to do that. So that's where magnets come in. Move da. Next thing I need is I need a little bit of a curvature into here. Right curvature there, not so much down there. Into there. Ow! Whew. It went through. Put a dab in each one. Oh wow. Yeah, that's gonna work. Yeah, that's actually nice. Planing off the metal. Actually holds in really, really well. So we can set how wide we want the chamfer to be. Sorry for the scratchy audio ahead. We didn't realize it was a problem until the next day. And yeah, re-recording it's not quite so easy. Person left. Not quite close enough. Yeah. So 45 to 45, and then we've got that. I want them about that long. That's too good to be true. A little deeper. Just to there.
So there you have it, a chamfer sled. This is a kit from Reed Planes, and I'll have links to that down below. The two of us have been working on a couple different designs. This was an early prototype that I made. He had several other designs as well on top of this. And it's really kind of interesting to see how Jeff comes up with some of the ideas. And if you don't know what I'm talking about with Jeff with Reed Planes, I have a whole playlist of his stuff. He does really cool additions for planes, making interesting things that just make them fun and efficient and quick. And I personally, I hate using chamfer planes. I don't like it. And most of the time I'm going to grab a block plane and I'm just going to go to town on the corners. However, after making these, it just clips into place and it goes. You don't have to worry about messing things up. It's just fast, efficient. It works just as quickly and easily as a block plane, except for it locks out at 45 degrees. So you know you're going to be getting a perfect chamfer every time, especially with the markings in the end, getting the measurement on there. Jeff did an amazing job with this. So if you want to see more on this, I have a whole how-to video where I actually talk through the build and what I'm thinking, why we're doing it, as well as I'm going to have a video coming out here soon on the how-to channel talking through this and explaining what all it can do and why I really like it. So if you want to see those, well, you can go over to the other channel. But if you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, even snide remarks, throw those down below. I do like reading through all those, and it helps us out. Anytime you put a comment down there, a comment is worth 10 likes. So if you really, really, really like this video, then think about just throwing a comment down below, because there are a bunch of people who just do comment down below. Thank you. And if you want to go even farther and you really want to help out the channel, All of these names over here, those are patrons on Patreon. Without patrons, we wouldn't exist. We are completely sponsored by you guys. So thank you for that. Without patrons, our lights wouldn't be on. We wouldn't be here. So if you'd like to find out more about that or help us out, you know what to do. Go down the doobly-doo, click the buttons, and become a patron or a member. I think I'll do it for now. Until next time, have a wonderful day. This is a chamfer plane. However, if you happen to be from New England, don't worry, Jeff is coming out with a separate kit for you that will make chamfers.